Betty, this is Rebecca over 60, and I'm excited because I just received my first FabFitFun lifestyle subscription box. And this one is for the fall. So you may wonder, what is a subscription box? Well, it's when you get a box of goodies at certain times during the year as part of a membership program. FabFitFun sends its boxes with 6 items 4 times a year containing amazing products in the beauty, fashion, fitness, wellness, and home products categories. Each box is valued up to $350. And I'm talking really nice stuff from brands like Prada, Glossier, Free People, Coach, Fenty Beauty, and all are up to about 70% off retail. I love getting these boxes because it's almost like Christmas 4 times a year. Now, just so you know, I was able to customize whatever was in my box so that they're items that I truly love and can enjoy. And it's such a cute box, don't you think? And what's nice is that it's packaged in eco-friendly and recyclable materials because we want to be good to the earth, right? So this is what it looks like inside. Here we go. Isn't that cute? Ooh, lots of cool stuff. So the first item that I took out of my box is Elemis Superfood Glow Cleansing Butter. And I don't know if you're familiar with Elemis, but the first time I was introduced to it was when I was on a cruise ship, because that's what the cruise ships use in their spas. And so it's a very luxurious product. And so this is a cleansing butter to cleanse your face. And it runs normally for $45. That's how much it retails for. So it looks like this, and it's nice and creamy. This is really great for getting off makeup and just getting all of those things that get on your face all day. And it doesn't have a smell, which I like because I like unscented products for the most part. I think they're better for your face. And I just cannot wait to start using this stuff because this is the ultimate in luxury. Okay, so the next item I got in the box is number 7 Menopause Skincare, and it's Protect and Hydrate Day Cream with an SPF 30. So this is an excellent product to protect your face during the day. And number 7 is a great brand. It's made in England and it has really, really awesome products. And so I'm just going to take it out and see what it feels like. So I'm going to open it up here and take a little bit out. It has a little fragrance to it, but it's really kind of pleasant and feels good on my face. I already have makeup on, so I can't really put it on. But this is a great product, and it normally retails at $27.99, so this is a good deal too. So the next item that I got in my FabFitFun box is from a brand called Tony Moly, and it's called Plumpkin Retinol Eye Cream. And believe me, I need eye cream because I've got lots of wrinkles under here. And with retinol is even better, but what's really cute is it's in a pumpkin, so it's definitely a fall product. It retails for $12.50, so this is really nice eye cream. And when I take the lid off of it, you can see it's very lush. I can't wait to put this on my eyes. Ooh, yummy. So this one is a gel and cheek color, and it comes in a stick. It looks like this. The color is Posh, which I really like. It's made in Toronto, and it retails for $27.99. And so this is another good thing. I know I can use this on my lips, and you can also just color in your cheeks a little bit. Okay, this item is super exciting. They are hoop earrings from Ellie Vale, and I am always losing my earrings, so I definitely needed some new earrings. Look how pretty they are. They're really, really nice. Just perfect for me. I like silver. And they retail for $61. These are nice earrings. They really are. And I can't wait to wear those. And last but not least, the piece de resistance are some Kate Spade aviator sunglasses. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to see these. Look how cool these are. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are awesome. Let me put them on. Oh, how cool is that? I am going to be so Hollywood now. Whoa. Mm-hmm. And they retail for $129, which is, this is such a great deal. I can't believe it. I mean, you've got to get one of these FabFitFun boxes. I'm telling you, these are cool. Okay, here's the exciting part. If you use my code RebeccaOver60GIFT, you can get a free gift valued over $200 for a new annual membership. I'm an annual member and I love it because you get first dibs at choosing your products, earlier shipping, and first access to flash sales. So that's the membership that I recommend. However, if you sign up as a seasonal member, you can use my code RebeccaOver60 for 20% off your first box. Remember that each season's box has a value of up to $350. So if you use my code, your first box is only $55.99. Hey, so what are you waiting for, right? Check the description below this video to get my gift codes and links to become a member. Then enjoy getting your FabFitFun fall box in the mail. Here's one last look at my FabFitFun box. It's so cool. If you want to get a membership, check my description below for my coupon codes and links.